Hello, everyone. Today I will talk about why your YouTube Shorts reach dropped suddenly in 2026. Many creators notice sudden drops in views, and it's not always because of your content. It often relates to algorithm updates and audience behavior. First, understand that YouTube now emphasizes audience retention and watch time more than ever. If viewers don't watch your shorts until the end, the algorithm may reduce promotion. Um, Even small drops in retention can affect reach significantly. Next, engagement signals matter a lot. Likes, comments, and shares now directly influence Shorts reach. If engagement drops, the algorithm assumes your content is less relevant and reduces distribution. Then, content relevance and trends matter too. Shorts that don't match your audience's interests or current trends may see sudden drops. Creating niche-focused content consistently helps maintain reach. Also, posting frequency and timing are important. Irregular uploads or posting at off-peak times can affect algorithm favorability. A consistent schedule aligned with your audience activity can help prevent sudden drops. Finally, metadata and discoverability matter. Titles, descriptions, and hashtags help the algorithm understand your content. Optimizing these naturally can help recover reach over time. So yeah, sudden drops in Shorts reach usually relate to retention, engagement, content relevance, posting consistency, and metadata. Understanding these factors helps you adjust and regain reach in 2026. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.